Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to give you some recommended sellers which you could use to start promoting affiliate products online and make your first sale within 24 hours. It's going to be a very shortcut video, and I'm going to give you some of the best recommended sellers on Udemy that you could start using in your business to promote any products online. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is basically promoting other people's products online, and you don't need to build a website, you don't need a blog, you don't need any kind of like do technical stuff. It's simple. You just pay the money, they blast the email out on your behalf, and you start building a list and you start getting subscribers and you start making sales. As you can see on the screenshot right down here, you could see that I'm using a solo ad traffic myself. This is a solo ad traffic from one of the vendor, not on Udemy, a private vendor, a private solo ad guy that I know, and I'm using solo ad traffic myself for my business to build my business. As you can see, I bought 2,500 clicks so far. 2,192 clicks have been delivered. 100% tier 1 ratio. Okay, so we're going to talk about Udemy here because if you're going to start building an online business with affiliate marketing, you need to build a list. The money is in the list, my friend. And to build a list, you need to start using a traffic source that is easy, that doesn't require any prior experience and no technical skills, okay? So when you come to Udemy and when you join Udemy, by the way, joining Udemy is free, but when you buy traffic, obviously you need to pay money. So this is a paid traffic source, okay? So when you join Udemy, through the link in the description box below this video, you're going to get some recommended sellers from myself that you're going to see like this, okay? Sellers recommended by me, okay? So you're going to see all these recommended sellers that I have selected for you, and I'm going to give you a bit more details on why I selected these sellers, and then I'm going to give you a shortcut method how to find the best of the best sellers on Udemy that you could use to build a list, start driving traffic, and potentially make your first sale within 24 hours, okay? So when you join Udemy through the link in the description box, you're going to get two things. First of all, you're going to get a network message from me where I'm going to give you a bit of details on how to use the perfect person, and then you're going to get these recommended sellers. So let's just go into this first person here, okay? So if you go into this first person, what you're going to see is you can see that he's got a 43% buyer ratio, okay? If you don't understand what all this means, just hover your mouse and it's going to give you what it means. So basically, out of 100 people, 43% of those people are saying that we made money from this person's traffic. That is absolutely phenomenal. You can see 25% repeated buyers. Okay, that is absolutely phenomenal. So what you want to do is, before you drive any kind of traffic, you might want to send a message to him asking him that, hey, I'm willing to promote this product. Has anyone promoted this product in the last 3 weeks? If he says yes, then you want to choose another product. And if he says no, then select your product, whichever you're going to promote. Because if someone has promoted the same product in the last 3 weeks using your product, then most likely you might not make any sales because it's going to be exaggeration, okay? Then you could just scroll down, and then you could start off with minimum 300 visitors, and then you could scale up to 500 and beyond. Okay, now if I buy traffic from this person right now, I'm going to start receiving traffic. My traffic delivery will start on the 21st March 2021, which is after 2 days. Okay, so this is how simple it is. I have selected the best of the best people for you to start driving traffic, so you don't have to go through the hustle of looking for the good people on this network on how to basically find the right person, start buying traffic. So I have selected all this for you. So when you go below this video, if you scroll down below this video, you're going to see a description like this, okay? So first step, what you want to do is you want to smash the red subscribe button and click the notification bell. My channel is all about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, how to drive traffic, lead generation, and how to build a real money-making business from the comfort of your home. So if you're related to these topics, then make sure you smash the red subscribe button and click that notification bell by selecting the boxes so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. Also, don't forget, if you love my videos, give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. Okay, so below the video, step one is smash the red subscribe button. If you don't see the subscribe button here, you might see it on the right side, left side, wherever it is. Just click that red subscribe button. Step two, you're going to see a description like this. Just click on show more, and it's going to open up this whole description for you. And in there, you're going to find a couple of links that's going to help you build your business online. One of the link is you're going to find is to this traffic source called Udemy. Okay, so when you join the traffic source through the link in the description box, you're going to find these recommended sellers. So you can see here, let's just go through this very quickly. 43% buyer rate, 31% buyer rate. Anything above 15% is good. It just basically means that he's got a lot of buyers in his list, and you've got a more better chance to make money online. Okay, so 31% buyer rate. Look at this, 40% buyer rate, 34% buyer rate. Check this out, 60% buyer rate. And because he's got a high buyer rate, the guy is charging a lot of money per click, 89 cents per click. Check this out, 72% buyer rate, 66% buyer rate, 45% buyer rate. So I have selected some of the best people for you, so you don't have to go out there and start looking for people to make money online. Now, before you start buying traffic from Udemy, there is some things that is very important. First of all, you make sure you have a landing page like this. Okay, I've already spoke about this in my previous video. You need to have a landing page. If you don't have a landing page, don't do direct linking traffic, because you're going to lose money. You need to build a list. Number two, you need an autoresponder like Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, SendLane, something like that, where you could have your subscribers details and you could start blasting emails out. Okay, so these are the two things you need to have in place. And then when you buy traffic, make sure you have a tracking link. Okay, a tracking link could be used from any free tracking tools. You could also use a tool called ClickMagick. I have a ClickMagick link in the description box. You want to check it out, you could. It's very easy. It allows you to track your clicks, making sure that you're getting real human clicks, real human visitors, and no bot clicks. Okay, so that is very important. By the way, just a side note, when you join Udemy through the link in the description box below, you will be able to send me messages like just these people. Look at it. You could ask me any question. Look at these people. They have been sending me messages. I respond to messages. Okay, so if you want to send me any message, ask me any question, you could at any time. You could join Udemy by going directly to udemy.com, or you could join Udemy through the link in the description box below this video. So let's just go back to those sellers, right? And let me now show you the criteria to find the best of the best sellers on Udemy, so you could start buying traffic. So you just don't have to rely on these sellers that I'm recommending for you. You could do this yourself as well. Okay, so I hope you're getting so much value from this video. If you are, then please give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment, because I also respond to all the questions in my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Okay, so what you want to do is, first of all, there's two ways to find great sellers. You could go to solo deals, or you could go to find sellers. I like the find sellers. So what you want to do, click on find sellers. Okay, you want to select 70 cents, you want to select 30%, you want to select marketing, you could select health as well. All right, if you're in the weight loss niche, if you're in the mobile niche, if you're in the social niche, if you're in the cryptocurrency niche, finance niche, whatever niche, I'm in the marketing niche, so I'm going to select marketing, and then I'm going to leave it as it, hit research, and there you go. It's going to spit out all the results for me. Okay, so I'm going to look for someone who is not part of my recommended sell. So I'm going to go for this guy here. It looks like he's a newcomer here. He's got 62% buy rate, 69 cents per click. So let's just select this guy and let's see what he has to offer. So I could see this guy's from India. Okay, he's got 17% repeated buyers. Okay, and I could see he's got 62% buy rate, which is absolutely great, but that's not what I'm looking for. What I'm looking for is how many sales did he generate for his buyers in the last 30 days. I'm looking for minimum 5 sales. So I'm going to scroll down, okay, and I'm going to see what I could find here. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to click on show more rating. All right, and I'm going to see how many people said that they got a sale in the last 30 days. So I could see this guy, he got a sale today, okay, 19 March 2021, he got a sale, which is absolutely phenomenal. Okay, this guy got a sale yesterday. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, okay, 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. Okay, this guy goes beyond my expectation. Okay, we're looking for 5 minimum sales. Got sale 5 minimum in the last 30 days, and this guy's gone beyond 20. So I think this guy's got a very good traffic, and I think this guy knows what he's doing, and he's got buyers. So definitely I would try this guy out and try and make buy some traffic from this guy. Now remember one thing, When you're focusing on list building, there could be, not just there could be, there will be time where you will not make a single penny online, okay? Don't worry about that. You know why? Because you're focusing on list building, okay? So don't give up. 99% people give up when they don't make, when they don't make money, when they buy traffic, and they just start blaming people, blaming systems. You don't want to do that. You know why? Because you're here to build, at least you're here to build a business. It's not going to just, you're not just going to become a millionaire overnight. It doesn't work like that. It's a step-by-step process that you need to take. But remember one thing, if you never give up, you will never fail. Persistent is the key to success. If you continue to buy traffic after traffic after traffic after traffic, just focus on list building. So you're getting 500 subscribers, then 1,000, then 2,000, then 3,000, then 5,000, then 10,000. As you grow your list, you're going to start making money, and you're going to make so much money that your head is going to spin. Trust me, I'm telling you with experience. So in the beginning, if you lose a bit of money, don't worry. That's part of the process. That's part of the business. Don't give up. That's all I want to say, okay? So that's very, very important, okay? Number 2, have patience. Number 3, don't complain. Always appreciate. Even if you make your first sale, whether you didn't make profit, whether you didn't even break even, you just made first sale, appreciate it. Just do this and you're going to be building your business very, very quickly, very, very fast. Okay, so that's all for now. This was all about Udemy for affiliate marketers promoting other people's products. You could start using this to promote any product, whether you're going to promote weight loss offers or marketing offers, whether you're going to promote Warrior Plus offers, JVZoo offers, or any other affiliate network. You could start using Udemy. It's a great network with great potential and great people who's willing to sell you some very, very good traffic. You just need to look for that traffic. Okay, so once again, thank you for watching my video. If you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then make sure you press this red subscribe button, click the notification bell so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video.
Hey, my friend Vic here. I'm founder of the 4% and creator of Internet Traffic Academy. I want to talk to you about traffic in this little ad. So look, if you have a website, product, or offer, a company, if you're a business owner or an agency, you want to get more traffic to your thing, I'm going to share with you number 1 secret that most people miss it, but when you get it, you can take your company, your brand, your product, your sales, your leads to a stratospheric level. Let me ask you a question. What does Facebook, Google, Amazon have in common? Well, they're all world's biggest brands right now, right? But there is one thing that they all have in common that they focus on like there is no tomorrow. You know what that is? It's the very thing that made them Facebook, Google, Amazon, and so forth. You know what that secret is? 2 words: data aggregation. Okay, think about it. Facebook is a free social media platform. How come they are valued at as a multi-billion dollar company? They're free to use. Data aggregation, right? Why is Amazon so focused on getting data from their users? Why? Because that's what made Amazon Amazon, so they can improve their stuff, they can scale, they can create better customer experience. Now let me ask you a question, okay? As somebody who is promoting things, if you're a marketer or an entrepreneur, do you aggregate data in your business? Now, when it comes to traffic generation, a lot of people, here's what they're doing. They're focusing on the wrong business model. It's an old business model. It's called platform dependency. This is where you go to Facebook, right? And you rely on Facebook to send you traffic. And then if Facebook changes their algorithm, there goes your traffic. Somebody relies on Google and somebody relies on Snapchat or Instagram, right? Or TikTok or whatever the next big thing is gonna be. And people are like sheep. They're just running to the next best thing, whatever the next hottest thing is, constantly depending on that very next thing, and you're being in the mercy of their algorithm. Does that make sense? We don't follow that model here. At Internet Traffic Academy, we teach something called data aggregation traffic system. This is where you create your own well of fresh water to drink out of, and you never have to depend on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever the next thing is gonna be, right? Who knows? But what we do is we take traffic generation in our full control and we call our shots. Now, I've ran a secret experiment on this particular methodology, and we were able to generate, listen to me on this one, 17.5 million unique visitors, okay? Over 3.7 million leads, okay? that we can communicate to with a push of a button. How awesome is that? Okay, that generated over $12 million in revenue. Now the big question is, Vic, how much did it cost you to get those visitors? It must be a fortune. Well, what if I told you it cost us on average 7 cents to get a visitor? 17.5 million visitors. At average cost per visitor, it's 7 cents. Vic, it's not possible. It's not when you don't understand data aggregation business model. But when you understand this business model and you deploy it in your business, okay, this is what's realistic. Now, if you would like to know all about this, if you would like me to show you what we're doing, what's working for us right now, if you want to take your business, take your traffic generation to a whole other level, if you want to become a world-class traffic and conversions expert in your niche, in your company, within whatever you're doing, check out the training that I just put out. And I'm going to teach you all about this data aggregation traffic system that can get you massive traffic, huge lists, insane conversions, big list of customers, and more importantly, the awesome life that you really want. I'll see you in the training.